I'm wearing a gown. I'm about to show you how my belt was in this gown and how I have lost weight. To my 100 kg plus girlies who are trying to lose weight, and I'm in the journey now, let's look at this difference. These clothes really used to be tight. I wish I had pictures or videos from then. I was too ashamed to take pictures or videos because I knew how I was before. Now, I went from putting my belt here to doing a new hole. Before, it used to be here. Look at how tight, how free it is.